We just read about the Mustang GTD
Dude,
coming out, and yeah, it just got dropped today. So we're like super excited to see it. Pumped. We just started reading stuff about it
it,
just a little bit ago, actually. I
yeah,
mean, all I know is it's gonna be pretty badass.
yeah, man.
The one thing about that car that's kind of exciting. I mean, the reason everybody goes for Mustang over Camaro or over Challengers, Chargers is for the simple fact the Mustang is more of track car,
Hmm.
right? It's lighter, it's more nimble. It's
Yeah.
a pony car,
Hmm.
right? Shelby GT 500 motor. They're claiming 800 horse
Yeah.
or more.
That's what
The thing that's kind of badass about it, I mean, yeah, it's just GT 500, right? As
I'm.
far as you think powertrain goes,
Yeah. Yeah.
but then they hit you with some of the other stats, and bro, it's gonna be badass.
It brings a lot of what I want to say race vibes. It looks the
Oh
way.
yeah, it's 1,000%. It's
Yeah.
not something like a Hellcat you're gonna be running the highways and
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
That is a track car.
1000%.